Cyprus 412, left heading 230 degrees.
Left heading 230 degrees, Cyprus 412. So, small change of plan. I can actually go direct this point, the one that ends in echo, execute, and now we're a bit high in this case, so I'm gonna go level change, speed to 20, just a tad high.
Hello, you're 24 Whiskey Charlie, Galactic, request airport to Bra.
24 Whiskey Charlie, hello, stand by. Cyprus 412, descend to 3,000 feet.
Descend altitude 3,000 feet, Cyprus 412.
Alpha Echo Whiskey 321.
3,000 checked. Okay, we have crossed the airfield. We're on the other side of it. So runway 04 side. So I have the correct ident now. India Sierra Echo Delta. Standby instruments set. And courses 042, 042, 042. Approach checklist, altimeters and instruments set and cross-checked, and my approach aids are checked and set. Approach checks complete. I'm gonna start thinking about making this sharp turn to final, so maybe it's a good idea to start slowing down. So I have bugged up.
Cyprus 412, left heading 120 degrees, descend 2,500 feet.
Left heading 120 degrees, descend altitude 2,500 feet, Cyprus 412. So 2,500 checked. Now I'm gonna go flaps 1. I'm looking at my glide slope over here. Perfect.
Cyprus 412, heading 070 degrees, cleared ILS, approach runway 04, report established.
Heading 070 degrees, cleared ILS, runway 04, Wilco, Cyprus 412. 070.
Contact tower, bye bye, thank you.
So FF can come on top.
Last station calling very quiet.
And flaps 5. We're out hold now. And good localizer, good glide slope approach armed. And Vorlog capture, glide slope capture. Runway heading 042 set. Missed approach altitude 3,000 feet. Set, and we're fully established. Terrain noted. Fully established ILS 04, Cyprus 412.
41204, you clear to land, the wind 320 degrees, 3 knots.
Clear to land, runway 04, Cyprus 412. Perfect. The weather was not supposed to be this bad actually, so I'll configure a bit earlier. Let's go gear down.
2 Whiskey Bravo, apologies.
Flaps 15. And landing checklist down to flaps.
125750, bye bye.
So, start switches, continuous, recall, checked, speed brake, arm green light, landing gear down to green, auto brake 1 set, and flaps 30.
25 Whiskey Charlie, push start approved, QNH 1016.
Complete the checks, flaps 30, 30 green light, and landing lights on.
1,000.
Check.
Yes, 118, 118, thank you. Be now contact Amsterdam 125750.
125750, thank you. Bye bye, Decimal 118.
Ryanair 8 Golf November, leaving my sector now. Frequency change approved. Bye bye.
128 Ryanair 8 Golf November, thank you very much.
Ground contact.
Bye bye. Approaching minimum.
Check. I had the approach lights, come on.
Minimums.
Okay. Go around. Flaps 15. Set go around thrust. Go around thrust set. Positive rate. Gear up.
Echo Charlie. Correction, Victor.
LNAV.
Echo Charlie. London Control. Hello.
Tune radius for missed approach. Flaps 5. Flaps 1.
correction, Alpha Echo Whiskey 225, contact Amsterdam 125.750.
And Cypress 412 going around.
412, roger. Fly present heading, climb 4,000 feet.
Present heading 4,000 feet, Cypress 412. And flaps up now then.
Ukraine International 750, climb flight level 3550.
750, Ukraine International 750.
Alta Choir.
Direct Tom T, KLM 101.
Can you please report the runway news at Southampton Victor Charlie?
Victor Papa, Echo Charlie, it'll be runway 02, I'm just getting your arriving instructions now.
Hold.
Runway 02 Victor Charlie.
Command A. Auto throttle is engaged. And after takeoff checklist, auto brake will stay.
London Control, this is KLM
At the
101. I've
takeoff.
got no Tom T in my flight
Air gonna press
plan.
set.
Can you please be more specific, KLM 101?
Altimeter is
what
1016,
about
set
that
twice,
left, that
maintaining
left,
4,000
yeah,
feet after takeoff checks complete. Unable 185 knots. So, first thing I want to check is my fuel, but I don't have an arrival in there. So let's put ILS 04.
Request descent Victor Charlie.
Victor Echo Charlie can descend initially. Flight level